So here I'm using some leftover blue exterior paint on the Behr concrete. This is fresh concrete. The white paint you can see on the two sides was already put on previously. There was a workbench in this area. You can actually see the post on the left there of the workbench that just got moved out away from the wall so I could take care of this. The blue paint worked really well. It was a Behr premium paint and primer mix, one coat coverage for exterior purposes. As you can tell, it coated really well, filled in the crevices, the small cracks, the holes. No issues with it. It was easy to clean up. Went pretty quick. I do have this on a 8x speed run just to cut down the time of the video for you. But you can tell just how easy it went through. It did take quite a bit of paint. I had about 3/4 of a gallon and it covered that area. And then this was the other area that was Behr concrete. You can check out last week's video covering how to fill in the holes and the gaps with hydraulic cement. It's been long enough that it has cured well enough to be able to paint over. So all I'm doing here is covering up some of the white with the blue, simply to empty out the can. I wasn't expecting it to cover as much. Emptying out the can, I didn't think there was as much in it, but hey, it worked. Now I did buy some Color Place Ultra exterior paint and primer mix. I thought maybe it wasn't mixed well because it just wasn't covering, so I mixed it again. I ended up actually using a better mixer. It was mixed at the store as well, and it just didn't cover hardly at all. Maybe it was old paint. I don't know what the deal was with it, but as you can tell, it is just not working very well at all. I'm not happy with it. It was supposed to be a one coat coverage similar to the blue paint, but yeah, it didn't even cover up the white, let alone cover up the blue. So I'm definitely not happy with that. I'll get some more Behr Premium Plus exterior to really cover over this. I was kind of hoping for a light gray wall, but it's just not working. I do like how the blue looked, and that particular product worked very well. So I think I'm going to coat it again with another one coat coverage, probably that Behr Premium stuff, and go from there. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This project's definitely taking a lot longer than I expected. See, as you can tell, once that dried, that gray did not cover as well at all.